hope you all are having an amazing day. So as you can see from the title down below, today we have a brand new subscription to our channel and I am super excited. And it is the Bolzano handbag purse subscription. I'm super excited to open this and see what purse I got. A little bit about Bolzano before we get into this. Bolzano again is a purse and handbag subscription. What I really like is you get to go onto their website when you sign up and fill out a profile and let them know the types of purses you like. Not just like small, medium, large, but the different styles of a purse, colors, everything like that. And I absolutely love that. So they kind of personalize it to you. Also, they have a couple different levels of subscription for you to choose from. They have their just the purse, basically. That's it, just purse. Then they have like purse with some accessories, and then they have like their luxe plan, which is the purse, some accessories, and then like some, you could have makeup or more accessories. So I actually went with the mid tier, and it is $33.95 if I'm not mistaken. I will put a link to Bolzano down below if you would like to check them out. It does come in an outer like white mailer, and I really like that they put it in this duster bag here. So everything's in here. So we're gonna open it up, we're gonna see. Like I said, I will put a link to Bolzano down below if you would like to check them out. Also, if you are new, welcome. Please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. And guys, don't forget we do have a couple active giveaways going on, so definitely check them out. They will be listed down below. Otherwise, let's get in here and see what my new purse looks like. So it does have a tag here. It says, "You deserve to be spoiled." Yes, I do. All right, so it had this attached to it. It says, "About the brand. Bolzano handbags and accessories are depicted by sophisticated styles, a variety of materials, leather, nylon, and vegan leather, and an array of fashionable colors, luxurious feels, quality hardware, compartments, and exquisite craftsmanship. Each of our products is crafted with today's woman in mind. Bolzano handbags allows the contemporary woman to express her unique look while meeting the demands of her lifestyle. Bolzano embraces distinctive shapes, unconventional patterns, and flirts with hip details, reminding women that they can have it all. Luxury, style, elegance, and quality come together in our must-have accessories. Bolzano offers value combined with an element of surprise, the ideal product for today's woman." Yeah, I agree. So, and this here is telling us about let's see. New bags. Oh, okay, so this is from Leilani Cardoso. And here is her picture, designer and owner. So it kind of gave us her story. So it was kind of long, so I'm not going to read it, but seems inspiring. All right, so let's take this ribbon off. I like that touch, that little like ribbon with the duster bag. All right, what did I get? Dun, 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 dun. Oh, okay. All right, so before I show you guys, I am going to tell you kind of what I put into my profile. And I put that I liked medium to large purses because I'm a mom. So mom life. And I put certain styles, like I kind of do like your basic square. I don't do like crossbodies too much. I don't do backpacks. I don't like backpacks. Not really into like super round purses, things like that. And then I put black would be my favorite, or brown. Not really into like crazy colored purses. Now, I mean, I might carry like a really dark burgundy red, or during the summer or spring, maybe a pale pink or a pale blue occasionally. But anyway, so all of that in there. And I have to say, they knocked it out of the park. That is like so me. That is so me. I love this. So, okay, let me cut this off so we can get a better feel here. Oh. I wonder if it'll tell me inside if this is actual leather or vegan leather. All right, we got one off. I mean, you can definitely tell that they care about their presentation. I mean, like I said, even down to tying the duster bag with the black ribbon. And then here, there's plastic over the little Bolzano logo, which is dangling from the purse, which is really pretty. So I do also like that this has silver hardware. So everything's off now. So there's the little Bolzano logo. This feels so soft. I like this like quilted detail here. And then there is a pocket here on the back, a little zipper pouch. You can see in there. All right. And it does have the feet on the bottom, and I love that because if you ever are in a situation where you do have to put your purse down, I do like that it has the feet, so not the entire bag is going to be sitting like on the floor. All right, so then this is there's no like, you can completely close it, which I like. So zip it open. But it is actually still, oh, it must be our accessories, quite spacious. There is, oh, there's a zipper there. And then we have two pockets here. And I like this. They also included, in case you want to make it a long bag, the strap. So you have the option of carrying it with these handles, or you can attach here on either side. You can attach and make it a longer purse. So I do like that you have that versatility. So there's the purse, y'all. I definitely like it. So let's see what we got for our accessories. So like I said, I went with the mid-range plan. So I'll have a few accessories. All right, so the first little accessory here is like a little card holder, or I mean, you can put money in here, but it says, go for it, girl. Love that. And then it looks like we have some jewelry. Oh, let's see. All right, so it looks like we have a ring. And this would be adjustable, I'm guessing. It's actually really cute. It's like simple, but like a pop of something. It's really pretty. All right. And then it looks like we have a necklace. Is this like a flared necklace? Oh, it is. Y'all, I like this. I can already tell I like this. You have like just the disc, and then the two, and then the single. I love that. I love that so much. And let's see. Now it does not appear to be adjustable. Yeah, it's not adjustable. So there's no adjustment, but I think with the layer, I don't know, I just think that's gorgeous. I think that is so pretty. So that was everything that I got. So we have that beautiful necklace, this gorgeous little ring, the Go For It girl, and then this gorgeous purse. And again, I just love this detail. I did want to see if it did tell me. It does not tell me anything about whether or not this is leather or vegan leather, so I'm not sure. Either way, it feels very, very soft. And I just noticed too, if you wanted to take this off for some reason, it does come off. So I like it. I'm very happy. So I am very, very happy with my first Bolzano unboxing. So let me know what you guys think. Do you get Bolzano? What type of purse did you get for November? Which plan do you get if you do get Bolzano? Let me know down below. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.